bang, bang, bang.
Thanks, bro. Bang, bang, bang. All that. Come on, boys. Have a good night, bro. You just grabbed my, you know what? Bangla Road, bro. Bangla Road. Oh my lord, man. We back. Bangla Road. You feel me? After midnight, Wednesday. So, yeah. Let's just see how it goes. I'm actually first time here, like when I get back. It's my first time. So I don't know what to expect now. Next time I will try come with cameraman, okay, for the best experience. But I go pick up something regardless, so I was like, okay, let me just make a video. Thanks, bro. Grab my, you know what? That's fun. Come on, boys. Have a good night, bro. Yes, sir.
But I don't swing that way. The man them celebrate
camera to see the difference. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we'll see, we'll see. I just have fun, you know. Because I still have to go somewhere pick up my hoodie. So I was like, okay, let me make video, but no expectations for like viral clip or whatever. We'll just see how it goes. But the last time we had clips that made like millions of views on social media, short form. So you know, like if it happened, that's great, right? Free entry, sir, Bollywood. Alright, so we made a full circle. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, let me wait like 1 minute maybe. By the way, y'all know what to do, right? You already know what time it is, man. Let's go that way now. Bang, 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 bang. Thanks, bro. Bang, bang, bang. Oh my lord. Tough about like cameraman or the glasses, but yeah, it's fine. Next time I gotta go to the club. One girl actually invited me, but I was like, you're crazy that you invite me first to the illusion. No way. she compare, but it's all the time the same. Off camera, crazy. Bangla Road, bro. Bangla Road. Ah man, so unfortunately we comes to an end already. You can see after nothing really crazy. How it go now, like off camera, to see how it goes. You feel me? Yeah, I gotta get cameraman, that's for sure, or glasses, I don't know. But yeah, cameraman I got, and I buy mic. So yeah, supposed to be lit, better, that's for sure. Still had some, you could see like, you know, how it goes. I don't wanna really make those type of video a lot, but yeah, as I said 2 times, I think I had to go regardless, so I was like, okay, let me do spontaneously, maybe something happen. I still feel like we will have some viral content out of it, you feel me? So I'm not worrying, but yeah, it's not that cool. Now I go off camera, maybe I will get somebody for the video or something. Like, I'm ready, I'm open for everything, but yeah. Bangla Road, done. Feel me? So yeah. If you enjoyed this video, then like, comment, subscribe. Give me some content recommendation. I'm sorry, bro. Give me some content recommendation in the comments, man. Stay tuned and see you on to the next one.